guys. All right, guys, this was the most requested question of the day when I showed you your homework. We have a 1/5 being divided by 7/5, and we got this wild and crazy negative sign just chilling out here off to the side, okay? Hiding off to the side. The importance of that negative sign is to remember that whatever our answer is here, it's actually going to be negative. You can take that negative sign, apply it to the 1/5 or the 7/5. Does not matter because our answer will still be negative no matter what, okay? So when we're seeing this, first thing we need to do is rewrite the problem. We actually have 1/5 being divided by a positive 7/5. Okay, by positive 7/5. We talked today that we need to go back to the original gangsta, keep, change, flip, okay? Keep, change, flip. So we're looking at 1/5, we're gonna keep that. Change this division problem into a multiplication problem, make your life simple, and flip the last fraction, okay? So this will become 1/5 times 5/7. Simplify early, simplify often. We're looking at this multiplication problem. We're looking for ways to simplify. 1/5 is reduced down. 5/7 is reduced for an improper fraction. But whoa, hold the phone. We can simplify by cross simplifying. Okay? We look for diagonally, words are hard. We look diagonally. 1 and 7, can't do anything with those. But our 5s, guys, we can simplify those. Both have a greatest common factor of, wait for it, 5 itself. So they become 1s, getting us a 1/7. Okay, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 7 is 7. But wait, there's more. Early on, we had this negative sign. We said, hey, we need to make sure we bring this back over, okay? So our answer is a negative 1/7. Remember, your top is being divided by the bottom. Keep, change, flip. Simplify early, simplify often. All right, guys, let's work on the window. Okay. Once again, we're going to rewrite this problem, okay? We're going to rewrite this problem to 75 divided by a negative 1/5. A negative 1/5. When we see a whole number, we need to put that whole number over 1. Okay, put that over 1. Wait a minute. It's time for the OG KCF. You know, where you keep, you change the multiplication, and you flip it. Okay? And you flip it. So I'm going to bring this problem down here because we are writing on a window after all. And we're going to have 75 over 1 times 5/1. Okay? And again, this will be negative. We looked at crisscross applesauce. We can't do it. We can't crisscross applesauce. So we're left with just multiplying straight across. It's going to be a whole number. We know that because 1 times 1 is 1. So anything over 1 is a whole number. A negative times a positive. Negative times a positive will get us a negative answer. Is a negative answer. And 5 times 75 will get us, what would that be? 375. A negative 375. So important that early on you keep, change, flip that fraction division problem into a fraction multiplication problem. All right, number 9. A water pail in your backyard has a small hole in it. You notice it has drained a total of 3.5 liters in 4 days. What is the average change in water volume each day? All right, so we have spent a couple of days now with rational numbers, multiplying and dividing, okay? Multiplying, let's pull out the information that we need here. Starting off with a 3.5 total liters of water that has drained, okay? The total amount of water we've drained in a total of 4 days. Total of 4 days. Okay, so let's put water that's drained over the days. That'll set up with 3.5 liters over 4 days. 3.5 liters over a total of 4 days. This is the point where we've got to set up our division problem. Our division problem. If you're in class, I go, top dog's in the, and you reply, house, okay? So we're going to take our numerator. Our numerator is going to go inside of the house. While that bottom dog is knocking on the door, okay? So the 4 will be stuck on the outside looking in, stuck on the outside looking in. We're going to slow it down a little bit, give you an opportunity to look it over, okay? Again, we're having 3.5 liters of water that's drained out total over a 4-day period, and we're trying to find out how much water is leaking per day. How much water is leaking per day. Oh, snap, crack on pop. 4 cannot go into 3. We'll put that 0 up tip top Fetty Wap. Okay, up tip top Fetty Wap. This decimal needs to come on up. Okay, take that up to the top. Now we're looking, 4 goes into 35. Okay, 4 goes into 35 8 times. Okay, 8 times. And 4 times 8 will get us 32. That'll give us a remainder of 3. Uh-oh. What do we do now? Well, we add a 0, take that 0, and we drop it like it's hot. Okay, drop it like it's hot. We're looking up on the board. 4 can go into 30 7 times. Uh-oh, you're gonna need some space today. Extend. Oh, there it goes. Okay. That will give us a remainder of 2. Add a 0, drop it like it's hot. And last but not least, 4 we know go into 25 5 times. Okay, we'll extend this over. And that'll give us no remainder. So our answer to number 9 in our Go Math homework will be a average loss of 875 thousandths of a liter per day. Boom. Buckets.